Hello everyone, welcome to Acedo's kitchen. Today we'll be making some turmeric fried rice. So with me I've got my rice, I've got my spring onion and parsley. So that's just a handful of parsley. I've also got some peas, sweet corn and carrots. So with the frozen vegetables I used a cup to measure. So I used 1 cup for the sweet corn, 1 cup for the carrot, and 1.5 for the peas. And this is just the cup that I used, which is the 250 millimeters. So I've also got my onions, my yellow, red and green capsicums and tomato, olive oil, black pepper, and for my spices I've got coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and vegetable stock powder. So that's 1 teaspoon for the coriander, 1 teaspoon for the cumin, half a teaspoon for the turmeric, and 1.5 teaspoon of the vegetable stock powder. Start off with the onions. You don't want that to fry, so you just put in the capsicum. Here I put in the spring onions and stir it constantly so that one side doesn't burn whilst the other one is still not well done. I'll put in my tomatoes. The vegetables are also they're almost ready, they're getting soft, so I'll just put in the frozen veggies. And then at this stage I just add in my parsley. So this will just help it blend in a little bit more so that it doesn't feel like it's just been thrown in there just at the end of it. So, as I said before, that's coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, and the vegetable stock powder. So, in this case, I use vegetable stock powder, so I don't add in any salt unless it needs salt. So, yeah, we'll see later on whether it needs salt. With the turmeric powder, that's optional. I just like adding it in so that the vegetables are a nice yellow color, just like the rice. So I cook the rice with some turmeric. So since the rice is yellow, I like to give the vegetables that nice color so that it blends in properly. So I usually add in the olive oil as needed because I just want to avoid having too much oil in the food. So I just add it slowly. And the good thing is the extra virgin oil is a bit healthy, so that's a good part of it. It's healthier than vegetable oil or canola oil and stuff. With the black pepper, just like salt, you add that to your desired taste. So you could put in as much or as little as you'd like. So at this stage we are now ready to add in the rice. The pan is a little bit small, so I'll split the vegetables into parts so I can fry rice in 2 different parts. I'll just split that into half. I'll slowly add in the rice. So I'll split the rice in half and just fry that in 2 batches. It's a really quick dish to make, so it doesn't really take long to make fried rice. Once you've pressed everything, it takes a maximum, it takes between 15 to 20 minutes to be done. Looking at the second batch, it's a little bit smaller than the first. So because it's smaller, it takes a very short time to do. And so this, like the other one, this is done. So this one is ready now. So this is our turmeric fried rice. So you can serve that with some salad on the side and maybe a thick stew. You really don't need stew for this. You can eat it by itself with a salad, and that's a nice healthy vegetarian dish. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of content that you'd like to see, kindly click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new uploads that I make. So this is it for today, and until next time, bye bye.